Choose your app. Topics tab. Select a topic. Select Speak to have the cards read aloud. Tap on card to see the definition.
An angle less than 90 degrees.
I know this.
Adjacent. Sides are next to each other and are joined by a common vertex. Algebra. The branch of mathematics where symbols or letters are used to represent numbers.
I don't know.
Workout. Perform one or a set of steps or calculations to arrive at an answer.
New Topic tab. Add the new topic. Add your word. Add the word definition. Tap Submit.
What is this? A green eye.
Choose your app. Topics tab. Select a topic. Great for practicing your keyword definitions. Choose your app. Topics tab. Select a topic.
An extended musical composition in Western classical music. When a note is played a semitone up from its natural note. The highest female voice.
Compatible with all modern mobile phones and tablets.